Hello, in this lecture, we will derive the expression for the lens maker formula. Lens maker formula is the relationship between the focal length of the lens, radius of curvature of the lenses, and the refractive indices of the lens and material and the surrounding medium. Say it is a lens made up of two surfaces L P1n and L P2n. Mu1 is the refractive indices of the surrounding and mu2 is the refractive indices of the lens material. C is the optical center of the lens. C1 is the center of curvature of the surface LP1n and C2 is the center of curvature of the surface LP2n. See, this C1 is on the right hand side of the lens, so it is taken as positive, and this is on the left hand side, so it is taken as negative. O is the position of object. O is the position of the object. It is incident on the surface LP1n at this point, and say there is no second surface, this surface is continuous, and after refraction from this surface, image is formed at the point I1. Using the relation for the refraction from rarer to denser medium, and this relation plus mu2 upon V equals to mu2 minus mu1 upon R. Here U is this distance, V is this distance, and R is this one. Now put these values, but we know that the surface is not continuous, there is a second surface. So the second refraction takes place at this point, and for this surface I1 is acting as the object. I1 is acting as an object and it is the virtual object for the surface LP2n. So the ray is coming out in this way, and this one is a normal, and the final image is formed at the point I. This will be the position of the final image. Now for this surface, the reflection is from denser to rarer, so in place of mu1 we use mu2. And this distance is acting as an object distance, which is same, plus mu1. This is the final image, so it is V, and it is mu1 minus mu2 upon R. Okay. Right. For refraction at LP2n, now add these two equations. This term cancel out, and the remaining term is this. Now divide it by mu1. Divide this equation by mu1, it becomes 1 upon CO plus 1 upon CI equals to mu2 minus mu1 upon mu1 upon 1 upon C, C1 plus 1 upon C, C2. Substituting the values with the proper sign conventions. CO is equal to U, CI is equal to V, and CC1 is R1, CC2 is R2, which is, so put these values with the proper sign conventions and we get this relation. As mu2 upon mu1 is equal to u, so we can put it equals to the mu. When the object is at infinity, then its image is formed at the principal of focus. So V is equal to F, and this relation can be written in this way. These are the types of the lenses. This lens is a biconvex lens. Here both the surfaces are a convex surface. This lens is called plano-convex. This surface is a convex and this is plane surface. This surface is a convex surface, so R1 has a finite value and is positive. This surface is a plane surface. Second surface is a plane surface. For second surface, the radius of curvature is infinite. Here the first surface is a convex, second surface is a concave. So this type of the lens is called convexo-concave surface. Here the first surface is plane, the second surface is concave, so plano-concave. The radius of curvature of the first surface is infinite. Here both the surfaces are concave, so it is called biconcave lens. Now the question, the radii of curvature of the faces of a double convex lens are 10 cm and 15 cm. It is a double convex lens. This one R1 is equal to 10 cm and this surface R2 it is equal to minus 15 cm. If the focal length of the lens is 12 cm, focal length is equal to 12 cm, find the refractive index of the material of the lens. Now use the formula 1 upon F is equal to mu2 upon mu1 minus 1 into 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. Mu2 upon mu1, as the mu1 is air, so we use mu here. Here we have to find out the refractive indices of the material of the prism. 1 upon R1, 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon 15. In place of focal length 12, since it is a convex lens, focal length is positive. So it is equal to mu minus 1 and solve it. It becomes 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 15 and 1 by 12. On solving it, you will find that the refractive indices is equal to 1.5. Thank you and have a nice day.